Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take 3-finger screenshot on your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. I would like to take a screenshot from this page. For 3-finger screenshot, just with 3 fingers, any 3 finger, just touch and hold on the screen and screenshot be taken. Now I use another 3 finger, okay, and I use this 3 finger. So in this way you can easily take a screenshot with 3 fingers. Okay, to go to the screenshots that you took recently, go to files in your phone and then go to internal storage, then go to pictures folder and go to screenshots folder, and at last you will see the recent screenshot. This is the screenshots that I took using 3 fingers. Okay, so in this way also you can go to these screenshots that you took. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.